Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with one of my favorite days of the month. The Bargain Bead Box has just arrived. This month is Misty Rose. Inspired by the early autumn sunrise, this month's palette is composed of soft pinks with hints of mauve and red. Our centerpiece is a rose quartz go-go pendant with coordinating rose quartz beads in multiple sizes, tawny pink rhodonite, and colorful assembled shell rounds. Add a variety of pink tones along with sparkling crystal, glass, and porcelain accents. Antique copper findings in floral round motifs complete the collection. That sounds like fun. If you're interested in subscribing to Bargain Bead Box, please use the link, the affiliate link below in the description. You can use coupon Turquoise for $2 off your first box. I'm going to organize everything and I'll be back with the unboxing. Okay, we have 19 items this month, and it says the approximate retail value for this shipment is $74. We'll see, but so far it looks pretty good. The first item we have is a 15-inch strand of 6mm rose quartz round beads. Very pretty. I know we have several people who love rose quartz. I really like it. I just don't use it that often. I'm so sorry my hands are dirty. I've washed them about 50 times. I just got back from Tucson and touched dirty beads all day, and some of them stained my fingers. So I just don't use rose quartz as much as I would like, but these are really nice. Number two, 1 meter 4 by 2.7mm steel jewelry chain, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Very nice. I would love to use chain more. I used to use it all the time when I was selling, because it's a cheap alternative to stringing a lot of beads, but I just forget. Number three, approximately 7.5-inch strand of 8.5 by 5mm glass rondelle beads, icy pink. And they actually look so much like rose quartz. If I wasn't paying attention, I would actually think they're rose quartz. And they're really cool. They're like a really nice saucery shape. I like those. I think if they get more on their site, I would buy more if I wasn't on a bead freeze. Except for Tucson. Yeah, those are really nice. Number four, 7.5-inch strand of 10mm assembled shell in turquoise. And that's in parentheses, resin beads. These are really cool. I actually have these, I think, in cream and in turquoise, and I like them. I just haven't used them. It's a cute little pink. I will see there's very little diversity in the color. It's all pink this month, but I don't care because pink is my second favorite color, so I like it already. Number five, a 10-piece 11.5mm pressed glass flower cap beads, milky pink. That's cool. I like these. I mean, we can use these as a button, or you can use them as a bead cap or just a bead. These are really sweet. I wish there were more than 5, but I actually really like those. The color's funky. You don't really see this color that often. I like them. I always like funky new stuff. Number 6, 10-piece 11.5mm go-go charms, lead and cadmium free. So go-go is like a donut, but the inside is offset. The inside circle is closer to the top than the bottom. That's what go-go, that's the shape go-go. So I think these are really cool. These are really nice for bracelets and for connectors. So to hang charms on, if you're doing a strung bracelet with maybe like a leather closure, those are really fun. I like those, and I don't have anything that's like that. Not go-go shaped anyway. Number 7, 2-piece 26 by 21mm floral round chandelier links, lead, nickel, cadmium free. Those are cool. I don't know how these are floral. I feel like we've gotten these before, and they were more like geometric-y before, but I don't see the floral piece in here. They're just more geometric. They're really cute, but they're not floral to me. Floral is flowers, and I just see a bunch of shapes there. Number 8, 48mm floral cutout round medallion pendant, lead, nickel, cadmium free. This is cool. Oh, okay. So you can hang it whatever way you want. You can hang it there. You can hang it from this round at the top. I like this. I would maybe patina it or leave it the same. I think this is really nice. You could embed it in polymer clay. Have the clay come out of the cutout pieces. I like that. I like it when we get a pendant we haven't seen before. Number 9, 24 pieces, 9mm scalloped bead caps, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are pretty. Very nice. I like these are a little bigger than we usually get from them, which is great. Number 10, 10 pieces, 11 by 10mm ornate round coin spacer beads, lead, nickel, cadmium free. These are cool. I think we've gotten these before, and if actually I don't know if we've gotten these before, but I've gotten them from a different place. The interesting part is some of the plating is already wearing off of the middle, so I don't know if you can tell that in this camera, but the middle is already worn off a little bit and it's showing silver underneath, so I don't know how well that's going to hold up over time. Number 11, approximately 8-inch strand, 6mm tawny pink rhodonite round beads. So this is interesting. I was just saying this on another video. Rhodonite, I feel like we just don't see a lot because sometimes it can be like the less quality versions can have a lot of black in them and it just looks a little muddy, but these look nice. Sorry, I have like I don't know what is causing all this stuff on my hands, but I've washed 100 times since I got home. These are really nice. You rarely see rhodonite that's all pink, and I love it. I actually got some chips the other day. It's a good muted pink. Number 12, 14-inch strand, 3mm round glass beads, matte metallic peacock red. These are cool. Those are nice. These are going to be good spacers. I like this box so far. Quite a bit, actually. These are really fun looking. Number 13, approximately 40mm rose quartz go-go pendant. So again, this is a donut, but the hole is offset towards the top. I mean, I guess you could do it that way if you wanted. This would be good if you wanted to make a handmade toggle. You could use some wire to make a toggle piece. That'd be neat, but I don't know how, I mean, you would probably have to either drill a hole or just wire wrap that part onto your necklace or bracelet. Number 14, 10-piece strand, 10mm frosted rose quartz round beads. These are fun. I'm sad that it's just a 10-piece strand because these are really nice. These are very nice. I like them. They're kind of icy. They're very pink, but they kind of remind me of ice. Number 15, 6-piece, 12mm pearl pink porcelain round beads. These are really pretty. I love porcelain. This is driving me nuts. This is like ink or something. Yeah, I really like those. I really like those. Number 16, 13.5-inch strand, 3.5 by 3mm crystal rondelles. Pink jade copper. I think what we're seeing is that they've replaced the bicones with rondelles, which are a little easier for me to use, but I mean, I think they just traded one shape for another. However, these are really nice with the rose gold on them. I like that. Those two-tone. Those are really sparkly off camera too. Those are really pretty. I wonder, like, these are great spacers. These are great spacers. Those would look really nice with that. And these, I think these three would be really pretty together. And maybe like a turquoise crystal or something. Maybe. Number 17, 5 sets of 24 by 11mm hook and eye clasps, lead and cadmium free. I like hook and eye clasps. They're my second favorite next to toggles for necklaces. I really don't use them for bracelets, but they're really easy for necklaces. I like those. Very nice. And I like that we got 5 sets. Number 18, 7.5-inch strand, 8mm faceted rose quartz rounds. Very nice. Nice facets. Then last but not least, we have 100 pieces, 4mm steel spacer beads, antique copper finish, nickel free. Very cool. Nice spacers, cute for earrings and bracelets and necklaces, whatever you want to use them for. I love this box. Not gonna lie, I think we are back to being more of a bead box with this box. Lots of beads in here. Yes, there was some metal, and some people might say it's metal heavy, but 2 of the metal pieces were actually beads too. If not counting the bead caps, those are beads too. I think my favorites were these flowers, which was surprising because they're a funky pink. I really like the shape of these saucers. And I really liked this, like, I don't know what they called it. It was peacock red. And I like the pink with the rose gold. Oh, and I really like this pendant. So I think we'll see like a pretty necklace. I definitely really liked these three together with maybe like I said, a turquoise crystal or something, and maybe these. Yeah, I think this is really, if you don't like pink, not the box for you. I mean, and I'm sorry, I apologize in advance, I didn't put together. But if you love pink like me, it's going to be a box you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite is, and hopefully stay tuned this month. I'll be able to make something. Again, if you want to save $2 off your first box, if you're thinking about subscribing, please use the coupon code Turquoise at the link, the affiliate link in the description below, and I'll leave that information in the description. Let me know what your favorite was. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute, and please like, subscribe, and share. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Someone just got a bath, so we can go to Thanksgiving dinner. She loves being bundled up as a pupperito, but she hates baths. Oh my goodness. She turns into an escape artist. You're just happy to be in your towel, aren't you? Yeah. Happy Thanksgiving.